Yesterday, we told you of a situation unfolding within the gang suppression unit of the Belize Police Department involving one of several of the police commissioner's relatives assigned to that unit. The incident surrounds allegations of sexual harassment, with those allegations made by two female officers. While we are awaiting comment from the Minister of State in the Ministry of Home Affairs, Elodio Aragon Jr., we were able to confirm with the Ombudsman's office that their side of the investigation is ongoing and that they have written to the Professional Standards Branch and the Commissioner of Police. It is a situation that opens a door to not only the Belize Police Department, but to the other law enforcement agencies as well. With a mix of men and women signing up for the Belize Coast Guard and the Belize Defense Force, Love News ventured to find out if they too are having reports of sexual harassment in their units. We were unable to get any headway in reaching Admiral John Borland today, but we were able to find out that with the Belize Coast Guard, they are ruled by their own act, and therefore there is a special commission assigned to handling any such complaints. As it relates to the Belize Defense Force, we did manage to speak with Commander David Jones on the subject.
Currently, and thankfully, I can say such reports have not been reaching my desk. I've not been hearing of any sexual harassment within the Belize Defense Force, and I'm glad that that is not an issue. If it does happen, we will have to deal with it, but thankfully, we don't have that issue at the moment. There was one issue that happened about 4 years ago that is now in the courts, and I'd prefer to leave that discussion in the courts. I don't want to mention about it, but recently, for the past 2-3 years, I haven't heard anything. Nothing has been coming to my desk, and that's good for us.
Commander Jones went on to speak of the BDF's policies on interrelations among soldiers and what the expectations are.
We have a standing orders that that addresses sexual harassment and addresses too much familiarity in regards to sexual relations with members of the force. Members of the force can have relationship with each other as long as it doesn't interfere with the professional outcome of what is expected of them. So we can have male and female soldiers in relationship. They can marry each other. We've got officers, male and female, who are married to each other at the moment. We've got soldiers who are married to each other. But as long as it doesn't interfere with the professional relationship, it's not a problem. But if it is a issue where a senior officer or a senior enlisted soldier is using his rank to try and gain sexual favors from a junior person, that will be sexual harassment, and that is against our standing orders, and people will be severely disciplined for that. So we do have things in place to address those issues if they do surface.
Regarding the allegations, we were reliably informed that the two female officers were called in yesterday to the Professional Standards Branch.